Sorry, I got cut off, but hopefully you look at the video and just kind of see that surrealist, magical realism, let go of your normal reading habits concept that will help you get through Beloved, especially as we first start it. So to close out, I really enjoy this quote, and this also reiterates why I think this is such a good book to read in AP. Working on Toni Morrison's Beloved, Raymond Pulteness says, reading Beloved with high school students, it's hard work. She expects us as readers to work, to collaborate with the text, and this entails teaching students about what work is when you read, or rather, what kinds of work are possible with a book that you can still dig. So I think this is very true. It's going to take a little bit of work, but it's a good type of exercise for your brain. It's going to be that college level thinking that's so important. It's going to just open up some really rich thought processes and discussion that we'll recreate on Zoom as best we can. And I hope and encourage you guys to participate in our book study. Thanks.